how to make questions mandatory on Google Forms. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily make questions mandatory on Google Forms. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser or Google browser and just click on this Google Apps option over here, and then all you have to do is just select this Google Forms from over here, as you can see. So just click on the Forms, Google Forms, so it will redirect you to your Google Forms. And as you can see, I've already created some sample or demo questions over here, so I'll just select any one of them for this video. So now what I will do is just click on this plus icon. I will show you by simply adding a question over here. So as you can see, I'm now adding a questions. So let me just say by what is your name or something like this. And when I add a questions, there is an option you can see at the bottom, required. So it says required, so I will just enable it. Now what it does is it basically makes these questions specific or mandatory. So as you can see, this is also the same type of question. So what it basically does is, as you can see, when I enable this required button, it gives you this icon over here, which means a mandatory symbol. So it basically means you cannot go along with the form until you do completely fill this up or answer this. So you can always disable it back to turn it off. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.